আমাকে চিনছো? আমাকে চিনো না তুমি? আচ্ছা, just cannot stop it. And I don't mind what suddenly comes small talk. Why the facade? To piece it apart back when your brother used to play guitar. You steal his songs and call them Mars, not gold. Got in between, and closer than how you've been, and I question my own sanity. If none of it was ever real, 'cause guess whatever happens, happens. When did we stop now?